Hello everyone, welcome for a new video. Today we are talking about auto sync your video with the music. A lot of people are looking for this, but there's a lot of blah 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 around, so I want to make a video, a quick tutorial and with not much fuss. So let's go. Let's start inputting the audio. I have my clips of a tiger here and the audio is this one. So we are going to find the highest part of the beats, like for example this one, and then I'm going to mark it. I'm gonna add a marker here. Let's keep going forward. Second marker here. You can also zoom a bit to make it better. Then we are going on the third marker here. Don't forget to select the audio clip, and I can see one more here. Select. This is a pretty shorter one. And then we are going for, what do we get here? One more. Select, and let's go with this one. One more. Perfect. There we go. Okay, I put my marker. Now it's time to reduce the clip. Obviously you want to select the one you like. I'm happy with the mouth open. And then here head turning, so we're gonna put cut. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. This is the manual one. Let's have a quick check, and then I'm gonna show you the automatic one, which is even quicker. Pretty good job. So now let's see if I can do it in the automatic way. I'm going to click here, so you can see the little star on top of the marker. I'm gonna press beats 1, and actually I did it almost perfect. So you can see this one is a bit behind, this one is perfect, this one is perfect, this one is slightly off. So I'm gonna remove this marker. I'm going to delete the marker. Perfect. And the rest is pretty smooth. I added just 2 extra markers here. So let's maybe do like this. Obviously, to show you, I did the marker on top of mine, but you can also go directly on the auto marking, so there's no problem. Let me add the last one here. Perfect. And then let's listen the final part. Go. Job done, quick and easy. See you tomorrow for a new video. And make sure you double check these 2 cool effects.